My name is Mark Hollen, and I'm the owner of Denver Truck Painting. It is a 2013 389, 323-inch wheelbase, and we built it to look like a 359. So we did everything we could to make it look like old school. It is a 6NZ Cat, 475 horsepower, 18-speed transmission, 336 rears. The truck was a wrecked glider kit, and the owner took the bunk, the engine, transmission out, and then we bought the rest and then rebuilt it from the ground up. The interior, I wanted to copy the 359 style, so it's made to look like the 359 dash and 359 interior. My problem is I never know where to start or stop, so we decided to do everything. So every bolt was out, frame was separated, all the pieces were separated, sandblasted and painted inside and out, all new skins. All the panels are painted inside and out for corrosion, and everything's clear coated.